To fix the error, you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. You can go to Microsoft website, scroll down. Over here you can see Microsoft Visual Studio files. Scroll down. Here you can see x86 and x64 file. You have to install both the files, so click on it and then run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Again run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed and then you can restart your PC and then check. Still not working, you can type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel. Go to uninstall a program. Now over here find Microsoft Visual files. So here you can see Microsoft Visual C++ file. You can uninstall these Microsoft Visual C++ file. You can make a right click on uninstall only the Microsoft Visual files and then again restart your computer. Once you uninstall it, restart your PC and then go to the same website, Microsoft website, and then you can install both x86 and x64. Install both the files and then again restart your PC and then check. So that should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.